Yes, OGVP, man. OGVP TV. Today, we about to give y'all the recipe to smoked oxtail. You see that price? $13.95, bro. Shit's ridiculous. Just for the tail, bro. They make you pay for that tail. Hey, look. Zabadoom ba, you gonna season them up. Zabadoom boom zaboom. I want you to season them bad boys so you can't even see the color of the meat. You understand me? See that brown steak, that brown butter, garlic, paprika, Tony's, black pepper. You can use whatever you want, but that's what I had. You're gonna chop up that Holy Trinity. It's a Holy Trinity in two different ways. You got your onions, bell peppers, celery, and carrots. Make sure you get them carrots fresh, man. Get them carrots, peel them carrots, chop them carrots, man. Stop all that buying that shit already pre-packaged and shit. No need, man. It's way cheaper too. Easy. Then you get you some olive oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, avocado oil, every damn oil you got. And you gonna sweat these vegetables down. Sweat them down. You don't want to brown them. You just want to sweat them down. You can add a little salt to that. To the onions, it'll help, you understand me, sweat them faster. Red wine vinegar, that's what you're going to use to deglaze the pan. Red wine vinegar, you ain't got to use that. That's just a little bit more flair in there, you understand? Beef broth, that's the last liquid you're going to put in there when you braise the oxtails. See, now we didn't smoke the oxtails, we didn't put them on the grill. We just want to get a little color on them. Like some people cook them pretty much all the way up until they pretty much black. I don't do that. I had a little extra fry up of ribs on there, you understand me? Saffron. This is the key. This is the special ingredient. And this shit is expensive. Don't need a whole bunch of it. See that? That's all you need. That bottle right there is like $11. So you don't need very much, but it's the special ingredient. Put that in there with that. You understand me? With the in the whole pot. Put the oxtails on top of the veggies. Then you gonna pour all the liquid. You gonna get it right above the oxtails with liquid beef broth. You understand me? Then you gonna bring it up to I usually bring it up to a hard boil. You understand me? A boil that's like that's how the water gonna look. That's how So you gonna take the oxtails out, and then you gonna bring the temperature of the stove up and reduce that to like a gravy. You're gonna reduce all that to a gravy. You can see it's fall off the bone, but the shit was hot, so it burnt my finger. But it was fall off the bone. Don't play me. You understand? Zabadoom. You see that, don't you? Ooh, look at that. Look at them bad boys, man, with that gravy and them carrots and celery all in that wonderful juice. You see me? Look at them. I ain't cut all